The main reason someone would build an addition onto their home is to solve a current problem the homeowner has with the property. Are there enough bedrooms and bathrooms for the family to live comfortably? Are the social areas large enough? Does the family want a recreation room or a children's playroom which is accessible from the house? There's a simple test you can take to determine if it's feasible to add on to your dwelling. First, you should determine if the addition is necessary to increase the overall livability of the home. If it is, then you should determine if the addition is a feature that typical buyers would want. How do you know if typical buyers would want a particular feature? Look to see what's happening to properties in your area. Are homes being renovated with new family rooms, master bedrooms, or master bathroom additions? Is the demand for homes in your area greater than the supply available? If you determine you live in a hot market, or at least a market with moderate growth, then you may decide to go to the next step. The most important test is for you to determine what the cost of the addition will be based on the number of square feet it will add, and then determine what the similar renovated properties in your neighborhood are selling for on a per square foot basis. Okay, an example could be you have a two-story house consisting of 2,000 heated square feet with 3 bedrooms and 1.5 bathrooms. However, several two-story homes in your area have 4 bedrooms with 2 full bathrooms on the second floor and a half bathroom on the first floor. You determine your family needs more space, including a family room, master bedroom, and a master bathroom. You contact several home builders with experience in renovations and additions. You get several quotes and determine that a conforming, good quality 2-story addition off the back of the house will add approximately 800 heated square feet. The median quote you receive to do the job will cost $100,000 and will take 5 months to complete. Then, by using simple math, you calculate the cost of the addition is $100,000 divided by the 800 square feet to get a cost of $125 per heated square foot. Then, by checking with real estate agents, tax records, or residential appraisers familiar with your area, you find out that comparable 2-story houses with 2,500 to 3,000 square feet have recently been selling around the $140 per square foot range. That means that if you sell your house for $140 per square foot, you'll have added $15 in value for each of the 800 square feet reflected in the addition. This equals a total of $12,000 above the cost of the renovation. You'll have increased your equity in your home by $12,000. Congratulations. You now have a green light to build your renovation, and you can feel comfortable you aren't over-improving for the area. But let's take the same example as before and say the home is in a less desirable location than the first example. We note that renovated 2-story houses with 4 bedrooms and 2.5 bathrooms are selling for approximately $85 per square foot. You use the same math and determine that the cost of the addition per square foot is greater than you can expect to sell it for. Therefore, you can expect to lose $40 per square foot of added space, or a total of $32,000. You see? Be sure you know all of your costs and the typical market reactions before you decide to construct an addition. Costs for additions vary widely based on the type of construction, the materials used, and the location of the property. If your decision to add on is strictly based on your return on investment, you may choose not to add on. It may make more sense to purchase a larger home and sell your existing home. However, if you're planning on staying in the house for a while and you live in an area with moderately increasing property values, it may make sense to go ahead and add the extra space now. That way you can enjoy your improvements and anticipate an increase in your property's value. But remember, don't over-improve your dwelling if these features are not normal for your area. You may conclude that the typical buyer is not willing to pay a premium for these features. By adding a relatively inexpensive ventless gas fireplace to an enclosed porch, you'll dress up the room and give it a whole new appeal. You'll save money by not installing a chimney, and you'll never have to clean the ashes out of the fireplace. An inexpensive way to add bookcases and cabinetry to a room is by purchasing and building stock cabinets and countertops from a home building outlet. By adding painted trim, 1 by 12-inch painted boards, and bookshelf hardware, You can add custom bookcases and even an entertainment center to your room. Remodeling magazines have several examples and how-to instructions for the do-it-yourself projects. When adding an addition such as a master bedroom, don't overlook remodeling other dated components of your home, including kitchens and bathrooms. Although you'll spend thousands of dollars on the new addition, the existing dated features may hurt the saleability of your home.